Croeso I Caersws.
Last time you interviewed us, we got hammered 5-0 after, so... Yeah. And at least we'll have the right kit on this time as well. Yeah. That was a disaster.
Neil Mitchell, striker. Locally, Caersws has always been a big club. I grew up in the youth stages here. Made my first team debut in the Welsh Prem here. It's always been a club that gives youngsters the chance. If you're looking at some of the players that they brought through with Ross Stevens, Chris Venables. Obviously the Welsh Prem, going out the Welsh Prem and dropping down to Tier 3 hasn't been easy for the club, but we still got strong roots here. We still produce a good team every year. It's just, unfortunately, the last few years we haven't quite made that next step up, so just hopefully it'll be this year.
Mark Griffiths, joint first team manager. Saturday it's Caersws at home to Flint Town in the second round of the Welsh Cup. Obviously being a bit of a realist, we know it's going to be a seriously tough game, but these are the sort of games we want to be involved in, so you know, we'll be going 100% out to cause an upset, and hopefully we achieve one.
It's going to be a challenge against Flint. It's going to be a huge challenge, but this ain't a 3G, this is a grass pitch, so they're going to have to work hard, hopefully, to get the result against us.
Harry Cottam, defender neu centre mid. Felly, dyn ni yn yr ardal North East, felly Tier 3 o Cymru, a dyn ni'n chwarae yn erbyn timau fel Cefn Albion, Rhagolwg, Llangryndod Wells, a dyn ni wedi cychwyn yn eitha dda, dyn ni wedi cael 5 gêm yn y cyngrair, ennill 4, colli 1, ond dyn ni jyst eisiau trio mynd nôl fan i'r Tier 2 a wedyn gobeithio fan i Tier 1 lle oedd Caersws chydig o blynyddoedd yn ôl.
Yeah, well obviously last season we ran it really close. We were second to Chirk by 3 points, so this year we're just hoping to go one better and look to get that number 1 spot.
Matt Mumford, centre half, captain. The club, you know, was a founding member of the Welsh Prem, so to get them back there is surely the long-term goal. You can see from the facilities, you know, everything's in place. From a personal point of view, my dad played in that first Premier League season for Caersws, so on a personal level, like I said, it'd be really, really cool to sort of get the ball rolling and get the club back to where it should be, really.